We are back at McDonald's. We're going to try the last of the trifecta of new McDonald's chicken sandwiches that they recently dropped. Today, we're going to see how this Deluxe stacks up against the competition. Stay tuned. So welcome to another episode of Taste of Winning. I am your master of ceremonies, Don Wynn. And like I said in the intro, we're doing the last of the trifecta McDonald's chicken sandwiches. I gotta tell you something. The last two that I reviewed came in a baggie. Well, for the Deluxe, they rolled out the red carpet. They're giving you a box. Yeah, a box. Not just any box. They're giving you a box that says Deluxe Crispy Chicken. So you can let the world know you spent an extra 50 cents. I believe this one came out to, nope, not 50 cents, 30 cents. I believe it came out to $4.29. Yes, $4.29. So for an extra 30 cents, I gotta tell you, you get a slightly thicker chicken patty. This chicken patty is thicker. Come on now. You've seen my other two videos. This chicken patty is much thicker. Now, it's not as wider, but it's certainly thicker. This chicken sandwich as a whole is much heavier. It's much more substantial. Aesthetically, I think it looks pretty good. I smell the tomatoes for some reason. Tomatoes are really popping out of here. And I really, really like this mayonnaise. I am a mayonnaise guy on a chicken sandwich. I love mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise with a little splash of black pepper. I know that's crazy, but I do love mayonnaise on a chicken sandwich. And they put plenty on here. I'm very pleased with this. Yeah, the chicken patty itself, if you look at the bottom, well, there's nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the bottom. And I don't care. As long as they got enough mayonnaise on the top, I don't care. Uh, right now, aesthetically, first impressions, that looks pretty good. It's certainly better than the other two. I mean, you saw that for yourself. It's a very messy sandwich. I got a lot of mayonnaise on my hands, but that's good. That's what I want. That's what you want. You want a juicy, fulfilling chicken sandwich. You don't want a dry piece of meat between two dry pieces of bread. So far, first impressions, A1. Now, we have to try our 3-bite taste test, because that's what's really important, the taste. Well, let's go in for it. First bite. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Right off the rip. And look how thicker this patty is. Yeah, this is pretty good. First bite. I'll set that down because this is a very, very messy sandwich. A lot of mayonnaise. 3 tomatoes. So far, so good. First bite, I'm pleased. Very juicy. The patty is really juicy. It's seasoned very well. You can really taste the seasoning in the patty when you don't have the spice. Now the chicken really shines with this one. Very messy sandwich. But that's fine, though. I like that. That's fine. Tomato oozing out of here. Sorry, you all. I'm just trying to get it together. Mmm. I'm pleased. I like it. I like that. That's a really good sandwich. And that's just second bite. Now, Wendy's, their original sandwich, they put lettuce and tomato on it also, and mayonnaise. But for some reason, the ingredients in the McDonald's Deluxe taste much better than Wendy's. This patty certainly tastes better than Wendy's. This patty here in particular, I don't know if they have a certain pile for the Deluxe, but this patty is noticeably thicker. It's heavier, it's more substantial, it's got a bigger bite to it. Maybe that's why it costs more, and they put it in this special box. But it deserves to be in a special box. You can't put that in the bag. There's no way you could put that sandwich in a bag. The tomatoes will be everywhere. The lettuce will be everywhere. Mayonnaise will be all inside the bag. They did it right. I did 2 bites, right? Okay. I'm just trying to find an excuse to get another bite out of here. This is a good sandwich. I really like it. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I don't want to sit up here and eat this whole sandwich, but I will. I will. It's portion control, guys. It's portion control. Portion control. I don't want to be greedy, but I want to. You know what? I'm just give it another bite. It's just chicken, right? Give another bite here. Mm, mm. I really like it. This is these are gonna get considerably more jabs to the face. Well, I gave the last one 3. I gave the spicy 3 on the last video. I tell you what, the only thing that will hold this back from 5 jabs to the face, 5 across the lip, is that I wish that the patty was bigger. I'm not even gonna trip out on the pickles, none of that stuff. Now the beef with this particular sandwich is on beef with the chicken. My only gripe with the chicken patty is that it's not big enough. It's not wide enough. Now it's certainly thick enough. Now you saw the width of the deepness of the patty, but I just got this thing with bun to bread ratio. If it were just a little bit bigger, man, this sandwich would be 5 out of 5. 5 across the lip. Boom, bam, 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 bam. But you know what? It's gonna still get a high score. Oh, best believe it's gonna get a high score. I'm going to give the McDonald's Deluxe Crispy Chicken Sandwich. Man, I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. I really like it. 4.5 out of 5. I guess I did the best for, I saved the best for last. Apparently, because this is certainly considerably better than the other 2. The patty's juicy, it's well seasoned. Is it the biggest patty? No, but it's certainly thicker than the other 2. I like the way the tomatoes taste, the lettuce. They gave me plenty of mayonnaise. 4.5 out of 5. Boom, 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 whoosh. 4.5. I like it. But if you like this video, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, join the community, join the fam. I certainly appreciate it. And until next time, adios.